चैनल यूनाइटेड कोचिंग। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम biology section of the question paper of NEET re-examination that was conducted in June 2024 and the booklet code is 7. Now इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में हमसे थोड़ी मिस्टेक हो गई थी. Instead of writing question 100 to 105 we wrote question 1 to 5. So वो आप अपने एंड पे थोड़ा मैनेज कर लेना, राइट. So our next question is the match the following question है ये, and in this one in the list 1 the very first option Fleming, this is Walter Fleming and not the physics में जो Fleming है left hand rule वाला Fleming, ये वो Fleming नहीं है. This is a different Fleming, that is Walter Fleming, and he discovered a thread like substance in the nucleus that he called chromatin, which is a combination of DNA and proteins. And Robert Brown discovered nucleus. George Palade discovered ribosomes, which are the sites of protein synthesis, and Camillo Golgi discovered the Golgi apparatus, which is disc-shaped sacs or cisternae near cell nucleus. And he first observed densely stained reticular structure near the nucleus, which was named after him, that is Golgi apparatus. So over here the option number A is correct. Our next question is also match the following, and in this one the incomplete dominance is shown by flower color of antirrhinum. Flower color in antirrhinum is a good example of incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance occurs because neither of the two alleles is completely dominant over the other. This results in a phenotype that is a combination of both. Now codominance is shown in blood groups in humans. Blood groups in humans is an example of codominance where F1 generation resembles both the parents. Codominance is a genetic inheritance pattern where two alleles of a gene are expressed equally and independently, resulting in a different trait in an individual. In codominance, neither allele is dominant or recessive and both traits appear simultaneously. Now, next is phenylketonuria is an example of pleiotropy, and pleiotropy is a genetic phenomenon where a single gene affects multiple traits that seems to be unrelated. And next one is skin color in humans show polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance refers to the inheritance of a trait governed by more than one gene. So hence the option number 2 is correct over here. Our next question is which part of the ovule stores reserve food materials? So the options are nucellus, integument, placenta or funicle, and the correct option is nucellus. Now nucellus is a mass of cell enclosed within the integument and has abundant food reserves. Each ovule has one or more protective layer called integument, and the ovule is a small structure attached to the placenta by the means of a stalk called funicle. Our next question is which one of the following is not found in gymnosperms? So the options are sieve cells, albuminous cells, tracheids or vessels. So the correct option is vessels. In gymnosperms, xylem vessels are not present. Therefore, xylem tracheids are the main conducting tissues in these plants. In place of companion cells, they have albuminous cells, and they lack sieve tubes but have sieve cells instead. Our next question is which one of the following is not included under in situ conservation? And the options are wildlife sanctuary, botanical garden, biosphere reserve or national park. So the correct answer is botanical garden. Botanical garden is an ex situ conservation strategy of biodiversity, whereas wildlife sanctuary, biosphere reserve and national parks are in situ conservation strategy of biodiversity. Now what is in situ and ex situ conservation strategy? Now in situ conservation strategy involves conserving species within their natural habitats such as parks, sanctuaries and biosphere reserves, and it can also refer to recovering species population in their natural environment, whereas ex situ method involves moving species outside of their natural habitats or to artificial environment or off-site protections. Okay, so in this one the correct option is botanical garden. So these were the next 5 questions from the biology section of NEET re-examination conducted in June 2024 from the booklet code C1. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.